Matt, thank you. The difficult job of picking a jury in LaPorte County still going on tonight. 39-year-old Jason Tibbs is charged with strangling Rayna Rison to death more than 20 years ago.
WSBT's Annie Chang was in that courtroom all day. She's live there now. Annie, very long jury selection for this trial.
And Jennifer, one of the most extensive ones this court has ever seen. It started with 160 potential jurors yesterday, then down to 72 this morning, and then slowly, question by question, lawyers let each of them go to choose a jury of 12. Today's jury selection wasn't like anything Greg Mulkey expected.
To be honest with you, I thought we'd go in there, they'd pick, how do you feel about capital punishment? How do you feel about, killing a 16-year-old girl, and it'd be done. But no, there were very extensive questions for quite a long time.
Lawyers posed a wide range of questions, everything from, have you ever met a convincing liar? How did you know they were lying? Have you ever killed someone? Have you ever seen anyone die? To, can you presume that Jason Tibbs is innocent until evidence tells you he's not? And one of their most repeated questions, do you feel comfortable making a decision if the evidence isn't black and white?
They asked me a lot of the time, what would you do if, there wasn't a preponderance or a beyond reasonable doubt of evidence? Would you be able to say yes or no? They hit me with that one quite a bit.
Today, several people spoke up, telling lawyers they had never heard of the Rison murder before and were willing to serve. Others say they know some of the people on the witness list. A few of them are even related, but all of them claim it would not affect their ability to be fair and objective for a murder trial that has jolted their home county.
They really wanted to drive home the point that there may not be a cut and dry, very, very, very conclusive eyewitness or testimony or evidence for this case.
At one point, Tibbs' attorney posed this question to the jury pool: can anyone think of anything worse than convicting the wrong man in this case? No one said a word. And again, this trial is expected to last up to 3 weeks long. Reporting live from LaPorte County, I'm Annie Chang, WSBT Channel 22 News.
In a Berrien County courtroom, an election official testified hundreds of mistakes were made on recall petitions targeting Benton Harbor's mayor. Edward Pinckney is accused of altering dates on some of those petitions and certifying others with duplicate signatures.
That's correct.
Berrien County's elections administrator testified there were 44 duplicate signers. 92 names were rejected because they were not registered voters. Another 78 lived outside the city limits.
Were those disqualified because of the scribblings or because the date was outside the 60 days?
I would say it's the scribblings.
You have no way of knowing whether they knew the signatures were duplicate or whether it was an honest mistake and oversight.
No, I don't.
Jurors will hear from people whose names appeared twice on the petition sheets tomorrow. Pinckney faces up to 5 years in jail. If he's found guilty, the judge could tack on extra time if he determines Pinckney is a repeat offender.